So let's talk about certain phrases or words to achieve a successful solution. So if I say to you right now, I say to you, I understand where you're coming from, however, or if I say to you, I see what you're saying, but what are the next words out of my mouth going to make you feel? Are you going to feel supported, or am I going to tell you the opposite of what you wanted? I see what you're saying, however, I get what you're saying, but. So what happens is the human wall automatically pops up, and then you disconnect from that human being that you trusted with your kids for 40, 50, 60 hours a week. So consider whenever you notice a shift in the person across from you when they're having a conversation, if you say, I get where you're coming from, and this is not the policy of our school. I see what you're saying, and as soon as the state or as soon as the county changes their rules, then we can continue this conversation. So what happens is when you use the word and, then all of a sudden that upset and that oppositional wall doesn't pop up. Another phrase that I love teaching directors and teachers is as soon as. Everybody say as soon as. Nice, because sometimes there's parents that come in and they want an answer, and the teachers don't know the answer. The directors don't know the answer. So if I was working out in, I keynoted a conference in Texas, and then I did a director's training. And the director said, I had a parent come up to me and say, okay, listen, if my child is disobedient, can you take him into the bathroom and give him a little whooping? And the director's like, absolutely, I can't do that. The parent goes, oh, well, it's okay. I'll fill out a paper. I'll sign off on that, not understanding about child abuse, corporal punishment. And it's not the parent's fault, because people that used to get whooped come from people that used to get whooped. Abusers, you come from abusers. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing right about it, but just being present to it. So I told the director, well, every single time you say to the parent, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that, then the parent thinks, well, you're the one shutting them down. And then the connection of energy and the communication goes right out the window. But what if you said to the parent, I understand where you're coming from, and as soon as the state changes its policies on corporal punishment, we can revisit this conversation. Now, all of a sudden, you're not the one telling them no, you're explaining to them the policies that other people have. So just consider that saying the word and in place of however and but, and saying as soon as helps you. And if you need more coaching on this, feel free to reach out to me after, and I'd love to share with you. All right. Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.